Bless you. Hi, Tita. It's been a year. So good to see you, too. So, how is your divorce going? What did I think of your performance? You know, it was just like so you know? Like, you were just so focused. Yes, we should totally hang out. Yes, okay, so find me on Facebook and add me on Messenger and then let's set up a time. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Like, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, what's your sign though? Oh, Gemini? Yeah, totally. Your girlfriend. Anybody want gum? 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 Just take one for later. Or take it now. Can we get these breadsticks to go?